start with the first method, that is Newton-Raphson method. We'll find the solutions of algebraic and transcendental equations by using this method. So what this method is, we'll understood first. The formula for Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is equals to xn minus f of xn upon f dash of xn. So this is the formula for Newton-Raphson method. Now by using this method, we'll get number of approximations. So if we substitute n equals to 0, that is our first x1 approximation, then x2, x3 and so on. We'll start with the first one problem. Find a positive root of x to the power 4 minus x is equals to 10. Now we'll discuss the root of this polynomial by using this NR method. In short, we call it as a NR method. Initially, let's assume that this is f of x equals to then in this, for different values of x, we have to find out value of f of x, starting with the first f of 0 value, then 1 will substitute here, it remains minus 10. Next, f of 2 substitute in this polynomial, is equals to 4. Now we'll stop this procedure till we'll get an opposite sign. So first value is negative, next value is negative, but third value it become positive. So for two consecutive numbers, when the sign get changed, when they become opposite, we'll stop our procedure. Now at this step, we claim here root lies between 1 and 2. So this is our interval 1 and 2. In this interval, our one root lies. Now we'll discuss what that root is. Now in this formula, substitute n equals to 0. So we have x1 equals to so this become for first approximation, that is x1 equals to. Here, what value of x0 we have to assume? Now from this interval, x0 is 1 or x0 is 2. So any one of these two value we can substitute as a x0 value. But to reduce the number of approximations, the value which is nearer to 0 in the real line, so this 4 value is nearer to 0 compared to minus 10. So to this respective 4 value, x0 value, we have to assume it is 2. So the corresponding value of x0 will assume x0 is equals to 2. Now substitute in this formula, so 2 minus f of 2 upon f dash of 2. Now for this we require the derivative of given function. Here f of x, this is the polynomial, so f dash of x is equals to so this is f dash of x, derivative of given polynomial. Now we have this value 2, f of 2 value that already we have, it is 4, f dash of 2, so substitute here x is equals to 2, so 4 into 2 cube minus 1, and if we calculate that value, it is 31. By substituting here we got 31. Calculate this on the calc, and first approximation value is x1. Now we'll continue the same procedure for second approximation. X2 is equals to, substitute n equals to 1, so this becomes this is the formula. Again in that, the previous value x1 we have to substitute. So at each step we substituted only the value of x1 which we have calculated already. Now f of 1.8710, substitute here in this polynomial 1.8710 raised to 4 minus 1.8710 minus 10, and after calculation we have this value to be minus after the calculation the approximate value of this, it is 1.8550. So this is our x2 approximation. Now f dash of this value, substitute and the derivative, f dash of 1.8710, calculate this, substitute here that value. After the calculation, this become our second approximation. Now again we'll continue for third approximation. Now in this directly I am substituting value. So last x2 value we substituted in the next approximation. So this become, calculate this f of 1.8550, similarly f dash, and after the calculation we have the output of this. So this is our third approximation. Now compare these two approximations, x2 and x3. See here, up to 3 decimal places our value is correct. We have corrected up to 3 decimal places. Hence we can claim here desired root is. Hence the desired root is. So this is one of the root of given polynomial x to the power 4 minus x minus 10 is equals to 0. So this is a simple discussion of Newton-Raphson method.